business, and we know you're going to love it. This is your one-time offer to upgrade to Buzzious Elite Edition. This is a huge upgrade that's going to open up serious passive income potential by truly automating the ongoing growth of your websites. You obviously saw the value of Buzzious and invested in it, so you're going to want to see this upgrade because it literally multiplies the power of Buzzious. Here's what you get with this upgrade. First, we're removing all the limits. With the membership that you just bought, you can create a limited number of websites. With this Elite Edition upgrade, you can create unlimited websites. I'm not just talking about pages or posts. You already have unlimited pages and posts. I'm talking about entire niche websites for as many different niches as you want. Maybe you want to get into all sorts of niches, from making money to fitness to hobbies and pets and self-improvement. Well, with this upgrade, there's no limits, so you can create unique websites for as many niches as you want to pursue in the future. Plus, you could sell this as a service and set up websites for your clients. Along with that, this upgrade includes unlimited subdomains. What that means is that each of your websites will be custom branded with its own subdomain of your choice. Now, in my opinion, more importantly, this upgrade allows you to use your own domains for any of your websites. With the main membership, all websites will be on custom subdomains like yourname.buzzious.com. And that's not bad because Buzzious is a cool domain. But if you want to build long-term equity in your sites, I'd recommend using your own domains, which you can register for about $10 a year. And this upgrade allows you to optionally use your own domains for any or all of your sites. This upgrade adds the ability to create unlimited polls on your site to boost engagement. Speaking of boosting engagement, this upgrade also adds the option for you to enable social logins. What that means is that visitors can log into your site using their Facebook account or Google account. You've probably seen that on sites before and likely have done it yourself. Now, why would you want your visitors to do that? Well, multiple reasons. For one, engagement. They're going to be more likely to leave comments and interact with your content. Two, list building. You may know there's money in the list. And three, more viral traffic. When they're logged in, they can share content to their social feeds with one click. Now, for the absolutely most important and most valuable component of this upgrade. It's called auto-curation. This is the part that truly multiplies the power of Buzzious. You saw the curation feature of the main Buzzious membership. It allows you to find and curate content for your site from other sources. Essentially, it enables you to add content without having to create it yourself. This auto-curation upgrade takes that feature to the next level by allowing you to put it on complete autopilot. With this upgrade, you can auto-curate article posts and video posts. By setting up auto-curation on your site, it will keep growing on complete autopilot by adding relevant content based on your keywords. Remember, one of the keys to successful viral news sites is that they consistently post more content. This allows you to do that completely hands-free. You can set it up once and run it for years. And you're not limited to one auto-curation per site. You can set up unlimited auto-curations on your sites. That way you can target different keywords within your niche. You get to choose how often you want the content to be found and posted to your site by Buzzious. And if you prefer to preview and moderate those posts before they go live, you also have that option. Auto-curation is the way to harness the full potential of Buzzious to build and scale your sites long term. And remember, with this upgrade, we're also taking the limits off of your account so you can build unlimited sites for yourself and your clients. Now, if you want to see a demo of the auto-curation features, you can watch one at the end of this video. To put this upgrade over the top with value, we're throwing in 7 awesome bonus products. The Niche Profits video series, the Elite Mascot Creator Toolkit, the Surefire WordPress SEO video series, the WP Social Widget plugin, the Web Bloggers Social Media Widget, the Testimonial Tool Pro, and online business tools for marketers. Any one of those 7 bonuses alone are worth more than what we're asking for this entire upgrade today. When you add all those components together, you can see that the total value of this upgrade is practically off the charts. We're talking about $4,372 a month. Just remember, This is your one opportunity to upgrade to Buzzious Elite Edition, to have all the limits removed from your account, plus have all those additional features, including auto curation, installed and ready for you to use. So grab it now to lock in your membership for a small one-time investment. We're talking about less than the cost of dinner for two at a nice restaurant. And unlike food, which is gone after you eat it, this is something that you can use over and over as you build a long-term income stream. So go ahead and click the order button now to grab this incredible upgrade. If you want to watch a demo video of me showing some of these elite features in the Buzzious dashboard, I'll start that now. Now, let's look at some of the elite features. All right, if you selected the elite upgrade for Buzzious, you are in for an amazing treat because you can basically do this stuff on autopilot and keep growing your site on autopilot. All right, auto curating articles and videos are a couple of the most exciting features. In fact, before we get to that, let's just take a quick look at custom domain. Now, this was a feature that I insisted that the developers include, because if I'm going to use this for my own content sites, I want to have them on my own domain, right? I'm willing to go register a domain for $10 or whatever and have this thing be on my own domain. Again, you get custom subdomains with your membership, but if you want to put a website on your own domain so you can really kind of have, build equity in it, then I would recommend doing that. This allows you to put in your own custom domain. And so if you selected the Elite upgrade, by all means, get yourself a domain and put your own custom domain in there. Now, on to these amazing features, the auto curate articles and auto curate videos. We're going to go to add article automation. Now, just like we did when we were adding one curated article at a time, we'll select a source. Again, let's just say it's Bloomberg. Okay, and so title, let's just say Bitcoin news, of the day. Keywords, all right, so we'll say Bitcoin. And frequency type, you can go hourly, weekly, monthly, and then the number of posts. So say we want to do, one post per hour, or maybe we want to do 3 posts per week, or maybe we want to just have it hit up this particular keyword, once a month and do 7 posts, whatever we want to do. Let's say hourly, 1 post per hour. So we're just going to consistently and slowly grow this site. Then you can select your start and finish dates. Now, if you want it to go on for years and years and years, that's fine. Just select something that's years in the future. And then you've got your category that you've already created. And then click add. And it's successfully added. What we've just done is something incredibly powerful. All right, if we go now over to auto curate articles and click article automations, you'll see that we have one article automation added. What this is going to do is it's going to go over to Bloomberg every hour and select one post from the keyword Bitcoin. And it's going to automatically add it to my website and keep growing my website on autopilot. And you can add as many of these automations as you want. So I can come back over to add article automation. Now this time, instead of Bloomberg, maybe I want to go over to TechCrunch. And this time I'm going to do Ether News. Okay, and so my keyword is going to be Ethereum. And for this one, maybe not as often. Maybe I just want to do 2 posts a week. But I want that to keep going for years and years and years. And for my category, that's going to be Ethereum News. And I can add that. That's it. Guys, rinse and repeat. You can add these over and over and over again. And I realize we're like way far into this demo video. Maybe I should have shown this first thing first because it's like the most powerful feature. But this is what it's going to allow you to grow this website on autopilot. Now, again, that alone wasn't enough for me. I wanted to be able to make sure that you could customize these websites, make them your own, right? That was paramount to me when we were developing this platform. It's all about your own branding, your own name, your own logo, your own URL. You can add your own content. You can build your own list. You can add your own squeeze pages, all of that stuff. And then within that framework, now you can grow it on autopilot. Same thing with videos. We can add a video automation and say, we'll say Bitcoin video of the day, keyword Bitcoin, and we'll just say weekly. We want to add, no, we'll do hourly. I think we need to add daily to this. I'll talk to the developers and see if we can add daily, but for now, you can certainly go hourly. And again, we can set that up to go for years and years and years. And so this, instead of fetching news articles, is going to fetch videos and post them on your site. So again, we're talking about content rich. So those same types of content that we looked at when we were fetching the auto curate articles, stuff like this, stuff like Elon Musk, this guy here, crypto miners competing with gamers for NVIDIA. The same kind of rich, valuable content, the stuff that people are searching for, is the same kind of stuff that is going to be added to your website on Autopilot over and over again. Now, if you're worried about what that's going to look like, there is a setting to where you can basically moderate the content before it's posted. So again, going back to settings, I believe it's under general settings. You can enable approve posts before publishing. Otherwise, if you want it to just go straight to the web, you don't review it, it just goes straight up, you can disable that. And if you save that with that disabled, this is just going to grow on Autopilot for years and years and years. I set up a demo site recently and went back and checked, and sure enough, like a week later, it had over 200 posts. And all of them were relevant. As long as you have a topic that has a keyword that is going to be found within those media sites that we've listed, it's going to find relevant content. So there are so many ways to monetize this. And again, very, very easy to do, very quick. We're talking about a matter of minutes, and to build a full-featured, content-rich website, less than an hour. That's phenomenal. And you can do it over and over and over again. You can have your own portfolio, your own empire of content websites pulling in traffic and leads and income for you. Thanks again for investing in Buzzious, and we hope you'll take us up on this opportunity to multiply the power of it by taking off all of the limits and expanding your opportunity with auto curation and more. Again, this is a one-time offer, so please take action and grab it now.